Okay, SAT2 level 1 questions. First question from 1990 to 2000. The number of students in a high school increased by 3.5% each year. Okay, how many years we have from 1990 to 2000? 10 years. If the school had 800 in 1990, 800 the number of students in the year 1990, how many did it have in 2000? For sure we can use like 800 and add to it 3.5%, then we get a number. In the second year we add 3.5%, but this will be not useful and waste time, right? Let's try to take the number of students, right? Number of students is n, let it be n, which is 800, but let us use n here. In the first year, what happened? In the first year, this n, this number of students, increased, means added to it 3.5% of n, of the 800. 3.5% of the 800. What does that mean? It's equal to n plus what is 3.5%? It's 3.5 divided 100, so it will be 0.035 of n. Taking n as a common factor, because we have one term, two terms, right? Taking n as a common factor, what left from the first term is 1. 1 times n is n, plus 0.035, the answer, because n we took it as common factor, the answer will be 1.035, right? N. This is, n is 800. If we multiply n times 1.035, we get the total number of students. We have them in this high school in the first year. Second year, same. It increased by 0.035 or 3.5%. So, but the number of students now is not 800, it's 1.035 n, and increased by 0.035 of the new number of students, of 1.035 n. If we take this, which is as this in common, 1.035 n into every number divided by itself will be 1 plus here 0.035. Again, it is 1.035 times 1.035, so it is 1.035 power 2 n. So in the first year, as you can see, we got an answer 1.035 to the power 1 n. In the second year, 1.035 to the power 2n. In the third year, we are going to get same thing, but to the power 3. So what will happen in the 10th year? In the 10th year 10, in year 2000, the number of students will be equal to 1.035 to the power 10n. And n is 800 we started with. So this is the answer. So I made a formula. We should know how to use or how to make a formula like this to find the correct answer. And this is the answer. So the answer will be 1.035 to the power 10 times 800 times 800. So it will be equal 112.28 point something. For sure, we are not going to take the point. We are searching for number of students. So it's 1128. And the correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. 1128. Okay, let's go to the second exercise. The ratio of teachers to students, or to administrators on a committee is 3 to 5. So we have a committee of teachers and administrators, and the ratio, this is a ratio, right? T over A. Teachers over administrators. The ratio of teachers to administrators is 3 over 5. What does that mean? This means every 8 members in a committee, every 8 members, there is 3 teachers and 5 administrators. He's asking what is the percent of committee members are administrators. Means I want to find the percentage of administrators in this committee members. So each 5 administrators, or we have 5 administrators in 8 members. So the ratio will be 5 to 8. And if we want to change this ratio to, if we divide 5 over 8, okay, if we divide 5 over 8, we get 5 divided by 8, the answer will be 0.625. 0.625, 0.625 is the ratio of administrators to 8 members. And what is this by percentage? We multiply with 100, so it will be 62.5%. And the correct answer is choice D, 62.5%. Third number, what is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its radius? This is very simple exercise. We need a ratio also of what to what? Of circumference of a circle to its radius. And what is the circumference of circle? Circumference of circle, perimeter of circle, is 2 pi r, 2 pi times radius. Out of radius, we simplify the radius, and the answer, easy, it is 2 pi. So part E is the correct solution. Okay? Let's see exercise 4. What is the measure of the angle formed by the minute and hour hands of a clock at 150? 150, I did draw a circle because in this case, in case of these numbers, such numbers, it's much better to draw the clock to see it, right? It's 150, it's not 2, it's almost 2. There is 10 minutes to 2, right? Okay. The circle is divided, the clock is divided to 12 parts, right? So every part has a degree. 12 parts, it's 360 degrees, the whole circle, divided by 12 parts, 12 equal parts. Each part will have 30 degrees as an angle. So the angle from 10 to 11 is 30. The angle from 11 to 12 is also 30. And the angle from 12 to 1 is also 30. The angle from 1 to 2 is 30. But we are not at 2. We are not at 2. We are almost at 2. 10 minutes to 2. How many minutes from 1 to 2? From 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, we have 60 minutes. 60 minutes. And how many minutes we have to reach there? 10 minutes. So we are not there. We're not at 2 yet. We are 50 minutes, right? We are 50 minutes to after 1 to reach 2. So what is the angle of 5 over 6? 5 over 6. It's not 30 degrees. It's 5 over 6 of the 30. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So we have 25 degrees. So this angle here, it's from 1 to this arm of the clock, the red arm of the clock, is 25 degrees. Now we can add them all. It's 30 plus 30, 60, plus 30, 90, plus 25 degrees. So the answer is 115. The answer is 115 degrees. This is the correct answer. And we will continue in the second video, another video.